Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into this live stream, just remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Alright, so we'll keep on going. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. One second here, 1 second. So yeah, we're gonna pull up all these other chats here, and then I will tell the team members we're on live here. So 1 second here, gonna pull up pretty much everything. Honestly, yeah, what a great day. I can't even complain. I do want to see if our targets can be hit here. 1 second, 1 second. All right, cool. Going to tell the team members we're on live now too. Let's see. TikTok live now. Live now at everyone. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Yo, Gons, and thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, we're going to go over Tesla. We're going to go over the Qs, all this good stuff. I do want to pull up at least one more chart here. And then, yeah, we'll pretty much get started for today. So, yeah, just told the team members we're on live. Honestly, it's looking like it's going to be a great day. So, yeah, right now, we'll go to the Qs. Looks like LLY is at that final or that first TP of ours. So, yeah, as of right now, it's looking good. We did hit that, or we're off of maybe 30-something cents or so. But as you can see, yes, we did have this empty space. Yo, Zane, what's up, bro? Dude, yeah, I feel like, yeah, today's gonna be a great day. And also, it's also because, you know, this target did finally hit first. As long as we can stay up, that'll be great. So, do want to see if we can hit that 746 potentially, but that first TP is there. Looks really good. And no, I'm not telling anyone to chase into anything, so please do your own research before doing anything. And as you can see, this was a trade from yesterday. Thoughts on HIMS? Honestly, yeah, we'll go over HIMS as well. You can see the before, the after. This was literally just yesterday. Now we're at this first TP of mine. So if we can stay up, it looks good. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Alright, so I want to go ahead and get rid of everything. And so yeah, we'll pull up HIMS too as well. And yeah, I'm going to try to find a couple day trading entries and then end it off with some swings as well. So yeah, 1 second here. Alright, so as of right now, let's see. So yeah, let's see. For the Qs, what do I see here? Okay, I see something here that honestly doesn't look too bad. And yes, I look for the same play pretty much every single day in my Discord. Hold on, let's pull this up right there. That would be great. So yeah, what looks good to me is this. And yeah, we do have what? The empty space. So I see this clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to take to this downside. I get it may not be the biggest move, but yeah, hold on 1 second here. Let's go ahead and find out right now. So yeah, you can easily see, what do we have? Points of contact, 2 body candles, and also 1 wick here closing directly at the same price. If we end up breaking under our bottom level here, I'm looking for the next resistance, which is down to that red candle there. So what, about like a dollar move down, nothing too crazy, but yeah, I still see a little decent move there, if we can potentially get that. So yeah, you know, it doesn't look too bad. Entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move is exactly what I want. So this is the imbalances where price could typically end up reversing. So right now, what am I going to do here? Absolutely nothing. Just going to wait. All right, so that is on Keys. Let's go to SPY 2 as well, and then we'll go to Tesla. All this good stuff as well. And honestly, I still feel the same way about it. I'm not going to change anything. I get it. Yes, we could potentially go up a little bit more, but this is what I'll wait for. So if, you know, SPY does not want to come down, I'm just not going to, you know, take a trade on it for sure. But yeah, what looks good to me is this. We do have what? So personally, I did have what? Top all there. Decent bottom all here. So basically, yes, this is an area of consolidation that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this downside. So it looks really, really good. So as you can see, yes, what do we have here? Clear move up, no consolidation here. This is what I'm looking forward to, this downside. So yes, if we can somehow, some way break under this level. So yes, we get a body candle closure under this level here. Maybe I'll try a floor entry. We do have empty space down here. So yeah, it looks exactly the same. Or pretty similar, I would say. So yeah, right now, it looks like we're in still more consolidation. So this is nothing that I would want to, you know, take a trade on. I'm just going to wait until I can see something clear, which is down here. And yeah, you can see from where I want to enter to where I potentially want to exit. The direct middle is going to be the inbound. So this is where I want to, you know, get out of most of my contracts. So yeah, it looks really good. Not bad at all. So yeah, LOI, pretty nice. Hold on, let's see here. Let's see. Dang, we were at that 683 area. Now we're at this, what? Almost 700 mark. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. All right, so we'll have to see here. 1 second here. All right, so let's see. So that is on LO. Well, we did LOI. That was on SPY. Let's go to Tesla here. So yeah, I feel like, yeah, today is going to be a great day for sure. All right, so for Tesla, personally, I personally see the same move, but I also see a little, you know, small move here as well that looks like it may be tapped into. So yeah, what I can see here, same exact thing. I look for the same play pretty much every day in our Discord. Clear gap down there. That's exactly what I like. That's what I want. So yes, this is what I would want to the upside. We do have a nice POTTERBOX, a beautiful top wall, a beautiful bottom wall here as well. So as you can see, we have what? 2 body candles and a wick closing directly at the same line. And this is where price is having a hard time getting above. So if we can break above our top level, I'm looking for the next resistance. Yes, I see here, there. Personally, I want to try it up to that 340. That 340 area is. So, you know, it doesn't look too bad. As you can see, yes, entry to the exits. Hold on, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, and which is this imbalance here. So right now, where are we at? We are currently inside of consolidation. So I don't want to do anything except for, you know, to just wait. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, as you can see, we're in this box here. So it looks really good. Also, downside, I like the downside here, which looks really good. Yo, Young Jay, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. You're fried. No, not right now, man. But yeah, anyways, I also like this downside here. What I can see, and same exact thing, I have my alert pretty much set on this. A little bit bigger move, a lot clearer. This is what I like. We do have this, what? Clear move up. No consolidation here, right? this is exactly what I would want to take to the downside. So same exact thing, empty space. Would need a nice Potter box here, nice top wall, bottom wall there. So yeah, this is basically points of contact. I see 1, 2, 3, basically 4 points of contact, closing directly at the same price. This is where price is having a hard time getting under. So if we can get underneath this level here, let's see, 1 second, 1 second. I'm looking for the next resistance, which is all the way, or at least for me, I don't see any resistance down here. Obviously, yes, you all have to do your own research. Not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please, please do your own research, of course. All right, so that is on what? That's on Tesla. Yes, of course, entry to exit, middle of the move. So yeah, the direct middle. This is the imbalance. This is where price could potentially end up rejecting there. So yeah, honestly, where are we at currently? We're still in this box. So either way, it's cool. Yes, I see this little gap there too as well. And yeah, if the play works, cool. If I get tapped out, there's always another opportunity. You can see what we did just yesterday. Obviously, we're gonna start with Amazon before the after. You can see the Qs ended up doing very amazing. Also LOI. So this is another swing. This was the before the after. And honestly, we're at my final TP right now. So if we, or not my final, sorry, my first TP. So I do want to see how things open up. And you can see what one of the members did just yesterday on that little play there. Just yesterday. So for today, hoping to see if we can stay up. You know, look, it looks good. It looks decent. Obviously, yes, Amazon. You can see a couple other members. Shout out to Fabi. See the befores there, the after. But yeah, this was literally just yesterday. This is what 2 hours before market closed. And we were at what 683, or yeah, that was a little bit before. But yes, we're at that 683 now. We're at the 698, almost at 700 mark. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a great day. Great day regardless. But anyways, yeah, beautiful move. Obviously, yes, end of day we did end up seeing that break above, and yeah, that's pretty much it. 1 second here. All right, cool, perfect. Yo, Mario, what's up? What's up? Yeah, good to see you once again. Honestly, yeah, we just need to stay up though, but we're right there at my imbalance, so we'll have to see. All right, so now let's keep on going. Let's look at some more trades here. Yo, Tuesday, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. All right, so we got to go over. Let's see. So I do want to go over what AMD, IWM too as well. AMD, we got to go over him. So yeah, thanks. People wanted me to look at hymns as well. Let's see here. So AMD, I do want to kind of start fresh on this. I get it. Yes, there is still a little bit of empty space below us, which honestly looks pretty good. But let me see here. So that 4 hour, I do see that. I did have that original box in that 1 hour, which made us go down into that imbalance area. Oh, did not mean to let that turn off, but I do want to see if we could potentially finish this little move here. So, sorry, yes, I'll turn that back on. But we do have what? Empty space here. So this clear move up, no consolidation. 1 second, 1 second. All right, cool. Perfect. So yeah, as of right now, what is this? I get it, yes. I had a smaller box there. I understand. This is what I'm seeing. We're still in this consolidation area. I do want to see if we can potentially get under this little box there, or this bigger box, of course, into this downside. And no, not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. So yeah, I'm only going over the charts. Not telling anyone to get into anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research. All right, so that's on what, AMD. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing on that. Let's keep on going. What? NVDA, Apple. Okay. Oh wow, LOY. Looking pretty good. All right, so yeah, NVDA, Apple. We got to go over him. So I do want to pull up one more chart here, just one more chart, and then we'll be good. So yeah, AMD, I will be honest, I'll be very careful on that, just because I had like a original box, and we did hit my inbounce already. So I will be honest, if I do end up taking that, that would be just more of a lotto for me. But we'll just have to see. 1 second here. Yo, Doc, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So wait, I have to go. There was another one. So what? POTR. Got you, Myra. I was like, there was another one that I was supposed to look at. So yeah, this one. I will be honest. If we can stay down, that it looks good. It looks decent. So I will be honest. What yesterday, before close, this is the one that I wanted. Obviously, we ended up breaking under our wall, so only like a little lotto starter for me. I will be honest. Right after close, yeah, it gave us a little bit of trouble. I was like, you know what? Yeah, maybe this one may not work out. Obviously, we rejected under this wall. Now we're in this empty space, which is, you know, a great sign. I'm not going to get too excited, of course, just because it's what? Before market open, so I've seen it a lot. Sometimes we could end up going back to the box. But I do like, and I do love how we are currently into this empty space. So we had a nice rejection. If we can potentially continue down, I do like that 174. First will be that 177 though. Looks really good. So yeah, right now, but I will say, if we go back into this box here, I can see it's going up. So you got to be really careful on that. But other than that, yeah, it's looking decent right now. I like how we had that. You know, yeah, that's a very good push for me. Especially, yeah, if we can get that 1 hour close, it doesn't look too bad. All right, so that was on PLTR. And yeah, you can pretty much see what we do here inside of our Discord. If the play works, cool. If the play doesn't, that's fine. Yo, Ramon, bro, good to see you, man. So yeah, LOY. We're almost at that, what, first TP. You can see what one of the members did on there. This was just yesterday. This was yesterday. You can see where price was, and I posted this yesterday, what, right after market close. We were at that 683. Obviously, we had a very beautiful entry. But then now we're at my first TP, and if we can continue, yeah, it looks great. And so yeah, shout out to, you know, one of the members ended up catching that with us. Obviously, not just that trade. We have other trades, of course. And yeah, if the play works, cool. If the play doesn't, that's fine. I'll get stopped out. There's no worries about it. So shout out to the ladies as well. So yeah, this was also LOY. As for yesterday. But now, yeah, if we can stay above, yeah, it looks good. All right, so can I look at UNH? Yeah, no worries, man. I can definitely take a look there. All right, I'm just gonna get rid of this right now. So what we did. All right, so HIMS, we'll do NVDA, we'll do Apple too as well. So UNH, and yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. Links in the bottom for the Discord, but yeah, just make sure to do your own research. I will be honest, yeah, this is the one I didn't get in, but it had a beautiful move, right? I did see what we did have. So yeah, I missed this play, which is fine. I'm not gonna cry about it. Maybe I want to. No, I'm kidding. But it's okay. Yes, we did have this empty space here. We had a, you know, nice little box to break above. Either we're gonna go here or here. We ended up going right above us. Obviously, let's take a look. We could go to a. I think I did this on a weekly chart, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, I did this on the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, this is what I'm seeing here. And honestly, it doesn't look terrible. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any play, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Dang, that's crazy. So yeah, as you can see here, yes, we do have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this upside here. So I'm looking for a break outside of our top wall here. If we can get this closure even above this call space area. I will say there's a lot of empty space, but to this upside. But I will say yes, this will definitely take its time for sure. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing on that. That's on that weekly chart too as well. On a, I could definitely, go down to a 1 hour chart. Yeah, personally, yeah, that 1 hour looks good to me too as well. So maybe we can build some structure. So what, nice, beautiful top wall, or nice area of no consolidation. If we can build some consolidation, I would love to take that to the downside. So that's just what I'm seeing on UNH. But on that weekly chart, it doesn't look bad though. So maybe I'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, we'll have to see. We shall. All right, so that is on UNH. Dude, yeah, we had a crazy week. All right, so what, RR? Okay, cool, no worries. RR, we'll go over NVDA, Apple, a couple other trades as well. You want to see LLY too? Okay, hold on. Sorry. LLY, okay. All right, so yeah, we'll pull these back up as well. So NVDA, let's take a look here. Yo, thanks for all the follows. I know, good to see you, bro. All right, so NVDA, I will be completely honest. I still feel the same way about this one. I know these charts, they look crazy. ETHU, yeah, got you, man, no worries. Sky Guy, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream once again. Shout out to Sky Guy. That's my guy there. Dude, yeah, thanks for pulling up to the live stream, man. I really appreciate it. I really do, man. So yeah, NVDA. We've been in this box for a very long time. So what? This area of consolidation, right? I still like this. I still feel the same way about it, though. But I will be honest. Yes, we have the empty space. So we have this clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to typically take to this downside here. Honestly, if we do get this break below, I'm not gonna. I personally, yes, I do try starters a lot, but for me at least, I do want that candle closure just because these wicks are not to my liking. So that I'm just gonna be completely honest. Yes, could we potentially go up? I mean, we absolutely could. So there's another box here, another box there. And I get it, yeah, this is some small empty space. This is like nothing crazy that I can see, but still a little move. Just a, just a small move there, nothing too wild. So yes, what is this? That empty space there. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. Each trade, I wait for my, trades. If we're in the box, no trade, we end up breaking outside of our wall. And yes, this is more of a swing for sure. But we end up going up to this upside. You can see what, a few of the members end up doing on that. A little call from yesterday. Obviously, now it's up here. But yeah, we'll go over that a little bit more. So yeah, we'll keep on going. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. What, CRCL? Okay, cool. So we didn't do RR. We did CRCL. We got to go over that. ETHU, a couple other trades. AMD. Okay, yeah, we'll go over AMD as well. So for Apple, let's see. 1 second. AIMD. Okay, cool. All right, guys, I'm here. I swear I'm here. All right. Dang. 1 second. Or I'm looking at the Discord right now. They're all posting their animals. Yeah, that's nice. Beautiful. Yo, Leah, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. All right, so Apple. Okay, you know, personally, this is what I like. I still feel the same way. Let's just forget about this box here. But under us, this looks really good. So as you can see, or at least for me, this is what I like. Obviously, you can see it differently, which is fine. But yeah, for me at least, I see this empty space here. So I see this nice little gap up that I would love to take to that downside here. We do have a nice Potter box here. Nice, beautiful top wall there. Nice bottom wall here. So this bottom wall is going to be our most important wall. This is the wall that needs to be broken in order for us to go to this downside. So you can see, you know, it's pretty perfect. And yes, I'm using a crayon right now. So yeah, there's a wick, 2 body candles closing directly the same wall. This is where Price having a hard time getting under. So I'm looking for a candle closure under this level into this empty space, which honestly looks good. And also even this. So there is a little move here. So under that 231, you can possibly see us down to that 229 area. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. That's what I like. Doesn't look too bad there. Alright, so, and no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Alright, so let's go to RR. Let's take a look here. We shall see how everything plays out. Not the crayons, dude. I think I have my pen here, so. Yeah, you guys can roast me. Yes, I have. Sometimes I use crayons to write if I don't have my pen. Alright, I have my pen here, so yeah, we're good. So RR, wow. Yeah. I will be completely honest, and no, I'm not in this play, even though, yeah, it seemed like it worked out. But yeah, as of now, what I can see is this, and just like yesterday, we had this empty space here, right? I had a nice Potter box that I wanted to break above. We end up getting that break. We touched so yeah, we are at my imbalance area. If we potentially do want to finish it, I can see up to that 235. So that's where I see resistance. But no, I'm not in this play. Yeah, I do remember doing this one yesterday though. But no, I didn't get into this play though. But yeah, beautiful move. I get it. May have not been, you know, greatest risk to reward, but still same thing there. All right, so we'll go over LLY again. All right, so 1 second here. He said, 1 second. I'm reading the chats right now. All right, so 1 second, 1 second. All right, so yeah, LLY, and same thing here. As you can see, sorry. So wait 1 second. So yeah, as of right now, yes, we do have this empty space, right? So yeah, this was like a nice little innovative swing that we had. Sorry guys, 1 second here. I'm out of water now. But anyways, I'll get some soon. But yes, we do have this, clear move down, no consolidation. We ended up, so yeah, at the end of the day, we did, break above our top wall, our top level. Going into this empty space. And as you can see, my first TP did end up hitting. So I will say maybe right at open, I could potentially see some selling pressure. That's just what I'm seeing. If we do finish, I do like that 746. But yeah, you can see, and this was from the other day. So this is the before here. Yeah, this was just yesterday. This was yesterday. We closed. We were at that 683 area. Now, and you can see one of the members in the Discord did just on that. Just on that play, and that was like an hour before I even went up even further. Now it's at that's almost at my first EP, but for me, I'm happy. If it sells off a little bit, that's perfectly fine too as well. But yeah, still doesn't look too bad. All right, so now we'll keep on going. But yeah, just make sure, do your own research. I would never chase to any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. Not financial advice. I'm only going over the charts, and that's pretty much it. He said, "Don't remind me." I was like, dude, no worries, man. So, you know, there will be some times where, you know, even I will take a little bit early, or it'll hit the imbalance, and I, you know, take most of it, and it just explodes, and, you know, I understand that. But, you know, all good, no worries. There will be, you know, more opportunities for sure. But yeah, beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. So yeah, I can't complain at all. So yeah, let's go ahead. I bought him tick. Yo, Mo, what's up, man? Yeah, keep up the great work, bro. All right, so we'll keep on going. What, IWM UPS? Let's see. IWM UPS. We got to do CRCL. We did LOY. Let's see what else. Open. All right, AIMD. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. We'll go over all these trades too as well. And yes, give me 1 second here, guys. I'm going to get me some more water before I start coughing all day. But anyways, one second. He said, dude, you have no strategy. I've been watching. You have no indicators, and you just look at the most recent candles. You aren't analyzing the chart at all. Careful, everyone. My bad. I'm reading the other chat. I have no strategy at all. I mean, I only trade what I see. I mean, obviously, if you see it a little bit different than me, that's fine. I mean, yeah, if you think, you know, my trading is absolute BS, then that's cool, no worries. If it works, if your strategy works for you, then that's all that matters. If you're, if you can be consistent with whatever you're using, that's perfectly fine. Obviously, I just use the POTTERBOX with the empty space, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, there will be, there's some people that can say that, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, I look for the same play each day. I could just scroll through and see and show you. Yeah, I get it. It looks simple. I mean, I don't need indicators though. And I'm not saying that in a cocky way. I'm just saying that, like, personally for me, I just don't like to confuse myself. I like to keep things really simple. And, when I keep things simple, it helps me out, the most. You can see, yes, empty space. We break above, we go up and tap. You can see pretty much how we call out setups. Sorry guys, yeah, this is in the other chat, by the way. This is on the YT right here. So you can see what the few of the members ended up doing on the trades. Not just one. But yeah, either the play works or it doesn't. If it works, cool. If it doesn't, that's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so let's see. So we didn't do hymns, did we? I don't think so. All right, yeah, we got to do all these. We got to do all these charts. Yo, Robin, thanks for the comment. Really appreciate it. Thanks all for the Yeah, so yeah, pretty much everyone has a different strategy for sure. So yeah, if something else works for you, yeah, just keep at it for sure. All right, so yeah, 1 second here, guys. I'm gonna get me some water. I literally have only ice. So yeah, I'll be right back. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is above. You can join the free chat or the VIP. Honestly, just join the free chat if you want to. You don't have to at all. But yes, just make sure to do your own research. 1 second here, guys. I'll be back in literally a minute. 1 second here. And sorry about the bad music. I know it's terrible. Alright, so yes, I am back, guys. Alright, so let's keep going here. Alright, yeah, we'll keep going. So open and also PLTR. Okay, yeah, no worries. He said, I've noticed when I've used indicators, it leads me more straight than anything. I would say the only one that I've used before this was VWAP. That was pretty much it. But other than that, I don't use that anymore. Alright, so UPS, let's take a look here. 1 second here. Cool. We will keep going. So for UPS, yes. You know, we have this empty space. So yeah, clear move down, no consolidation. We ended up breaking above our wall. Obviously, it was a lot, you know. I will say UPS, it may do the move, but to get there, it's gonna do some crazy things. And as you can see, it wasn't as clean. Obviously, no, I'm not in this one. But if we do end up finishing, there is another box here. So another little Potter box there, right above us. There's a little bit more empty space. So yeah, it looks like we're struggling to get above what the south wall there. So if we can somehow, you know, stay above it, you know, looks good. Looks really decent. All right, so let's see. So that's on UPS. Also IWM, we got to go over a couple other ones as well. Did I skip hymns? Oh, my bad, bro. My bad. My bad. I was supposed to do that, a little bit earlier. So yeah, let's do hymns really quickly. Let's go ahead and break it down as well. Shout out to my guy, Lee. Alright, so right now, I still feel the same way about it. And what I mean by this is, so I do like this 4 hour. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, we do have this what? Clear move down, no consolidation there. This is exactly what I would love to, you know, take to this upside here. If we can somehow, let's see, break above our top level. So 1 second here. So we do have a nice Potter box there, nice top wall, decent bottom wall here, and right above us you can easily see, so hold on 1 second here, right above this top level I don't see any resistance until, let's see, this green candle here. So you know, it looks good, looks decent. We have the move that we want, or at least that I want. Personally, yes, I do see a little bit of empty space here, but if we somehow break above, you know, it looks good, it looks great. Right now, we are inside of more consolidation, which means for me, I don't want to do anything. I get it though, yes. This can be another box here. So another overlapping box. And then there's empty space there. But I do like to see if we can get that 48 break, so it doesn't look too bad. Alright, so let's see. Yo, Authentic King, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Alright, so yeah, we'll go over the keys, and the keys look pretty decent. Alright, hold on, let's see. Alright, so AIMD as well. So it looks like, you know, we're pretty much going to the upside still. I will say I still feel the same way about it. Just because, hold on, 1 second here. Let's break this down on the 1 month chart here. I mean, maybe on a 1 month chart, this is what I can see to this upside. So yes, we do have, what, let's see, top wall there, bottom wall there. We could somehow continue, potentially go up to that 499. That's just what I'm seeing. Looks like we already hit that imbalance though. So what I can see now is this, what I like. And that's if we can, you know, go down. This is just a little bit more clean for me. This is just, you know, something that's very simple that I, you know, like. So you can see, yes, empty space. Yo, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. Shout out to my guy. We got the same name, Lee. So, well, just my first name. But anyways, clear move up, no consolidation. We end up, or if we can somehow break below this bottom wall, we do have empty space to this downside. So honestly, doesn't look bad. We'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so we'll keep going. We did UPS. We got to go over a couple other ones as well. QQQ, CRCL, and I do want to see the Qs again too. Let's get rid of all of this, even though something looked like it hit. But anyways, oh wow, oh wow. Dang, that doesn't look bad though. That, you know, it doesn't look terrible. He said, "How early do you wake up?" I wake up at 4:30. Dang, that's pretty early. It's a little bit earlier than me. All right, so anyways, my bad. Oh, what happened? What did I do? All right, so did not mean to do that. So it looks like, I mean, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, give me a second here. Give me 1 second. So yeah, we do have what, the empty space under us. I will be honest, it looks like we might have. So we just may have. Okay, that's a nice wall there. Top wall, bottom wall, we break under. We have empty space down to this red candle. So it looks like, if I'm not mistaken, our imbalance was hit. So, all right, we hit it just perfectly. As you can see, yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we did touch it perfectly. So if we do want to finish this move, I do like that 117. But if we do end up reversing, this is the correct place to do it. So right there. But no, not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. Whether if you're joining the Discord, whether if you're, you know, live streams, whatever. Just make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. All right, so that's on CRCL, AMD. Honestly, let's go to the Qs too. All right, so hold on, give me a second here. So that was on the, hold on, give me a second. 4 hour, 2 hour. Honestly, okay, I do see that 2 hour chart under there. Under that 570, 578. 1 second here. All right. My bad, guys. All right, so my bad. As of right now, I was looking at the other chat and stuff. What I can personally see here is this. I still feel the same way about it. We still have this empty space here. I do like the 1 hour since it's, you know, it doesn't look too bad. We do have what? I get it. Bigger, you know, POTTERBOX here. Do want to see if we can potentially break under this, what, 577 area. So, you know, looks good, looks decent. As of right now, we're in consolidation. So, right now, I'm not going to take a trade on this whatsoever. So, we're stuck in here. I get it. I do see that 2 hour as well. There's a little box there. But as of right now, yeah, it just looks like a disaster in that box. So I'm looking for a clear, clean break outside of this level, and then I'll see if we can take that to the downside. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing, which honestly doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we shall see how everything plays out. Alright, so hold on, I'm gonna put this. Hold on 1 second, 1 second. I'm gonna warn the members about today. Alright, cool. AMD. Okay, yeah, we'll do. Okay, yeah. Everyone's talking about AMD. What? Am I missing something? Okay, maybe I am missing something. All right. All right, we'll go over it. And you what? UNH. He said, "Go get you some water, dude." I got some right here. I just didn't take a sip on it yet. So yeah, no worries. Good to see you, Hatch. All right, all right. All right, so what? AMD and UNH. Also, where is? Oh, I do want to see where a couple of these trades are too. So PLTR still under that wall, which is a decent sign too. We didn't do IWM either. We got to do AMD. Did we do? Yeah, we did that. LOY there. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool, perfect. All right, so AMD. This is what I'm seeing. Dude, man, I got it, Joe. It's in my hand. See, I got my crayon ready, man. All right, so AMD. Let's see. So I will be completely honest with this one. I like it. I did have an original box here. So there was an original box here that I had. So there was a top wall, bottom wall here. We broke under. We tapped into this imbalance. So right now what you're seeing, this is the actual imbalance. So hold on, give me a second. So let's go ahead and push this all the way up. Let's push this up here so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So right now we did end up touching this imbalance area, right? Entry, exit, we established this imbalance, so we're right above it. But hold on. Now let's get rid of this. There is another box here. So this is just what I see. Obviously, yes, if you see it differently, that's fine. Not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. Let's get rid of this too. So we do have another POTTERBOX, nice little bottom wall there. If we can somehow get that break below, we do have this empty space under us. So looks good, looks decent. Right now we're in this POTTERBOX. We're inside of consolidation. So do I want to take a trade on this one? Absolutely not. I do want to see if we can get a clear close. Personally, yes, I do try starters on a lot of trades. I won't get into this one unless it's very clear. So like what the other trades that we had, not just LOY, also, you know, that was, you know, innovate swing. But like what AMZN, we had this one just yesterday. You could see we had this empty space here. We had the POTTERBOX right at open. We were above this level, so it was clear to me. You can see there wasn't as many wicks. It was something that was very clear. I told the team members yesterday, right at open, this is what I wanted. We ended up getting it, touching that first TP. And as you can see, you know, a few of the other members, yesterday as well. You see what she did there. Should have sided up. Thanks for the call out. So that was on AMZN. And yeah, you know, for let's see. Hold on. So yeah, as for this one, yeah, I get it. There's a lot more wicks. I mean, still the same thing though. Do want to see if we can get that closure. Looks really good. All right. So that was on AMD KR. Yep, no worries. Let's look at Tesla. Where is Tesla? Yeah, I do have to take a look there. All right. So hopefully we just don't chop today. And hold on one second here. IWM. We got to go over IWM too. All right, so for KR, let's take a look. All right, so hold on. Let's see. Let's go to it. Honestly, let's break this down. I do want to get rid of all this. So it looks like we're at my original imbalance, but that doesn't really matter right now. KR, sleeves 2 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 24 hour. That 24 hour looks amazing though. Let's see. Once 20. All right, cool, cool, cool. Got it, guys. And no, I wasn't talking to myself. I was just locking in. Live pause. Did it pause? Let me know. It paused? Wait, what? Hold on, give me a second. We should be good. Let me know if we're still paused before I continue. Hello? Is anyone there? How is it on pause? That's so weird. Alright, am I back, guys? I was reading the comments the whole time. It said that I was on pause, but I don't think I am. We should be back. Hopefully. But anyways, yes, we do have this empty space. What? Clear move up, no consolidation. Obviously, what I can see here is what? Nice. Actually, not too bad. Not too bad. Looks like, yes. Possibly end of day, if we could potentially get underneath this bottom level here. I don't see any resistance down until this, what? That red candle there. So honestly, it looks good, it looks decent. As of right now, we are just in, what? Consolidation. So I don't want to do anything except for just to wait. Honestly, looks pretty decent though. Alright, so let's see. We'll take a look. Hopefully I'm back. Hopefully you guys can see it. But yeah, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So right now, where are we at? I mean, we're outside of our level. I do want to see if we get that 24-hour close though. So that honestly looks pretty decent. So right now, what am I doing? Absolutely nothing on that. Alright, so Tesla, what I can see here, let's see. Let's see. So Tesla, personally, I think, yeah, I did this on a lower time frame, if I'm not mistaken. So yes, what I can see here, 1 hour chart. This is what looks good to me. And yes, let's turn this back on to as well. IWM Tesla. So yeah, this looks good. As of now, I can easily see, yes, we have the empty space above us. That's what I'm personally waiting for, if we can potentially get that. Obviously, we break underneath. Let's see. So yeah, we do have some more empty space. We get under there. Looks really good to this downside. So just going to wait on that, see how everything plays out. Honestly, looks really good. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I will be getting off now. We got a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. So yes, if you want to join up, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. I will be on live pretty much every single day. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. Hope you all have a blessed one. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.